Hey, this is Ross, ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a 3-car garage with baseboards. We're in Land O'Lakes, Bexley, the new development. So this is a full chip job, written lifetime warranty. Polyaspartic top coat, and this color is gun flint. Put a lot of work into the lead edge, rounding it over, getting down to bare concrete. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.